up, everyone? Joe B.I. TW, tell me how you do in the comments below because I always want to know how you doing and how you feeling. And same to Alan Walker and Lee Yu Yan, and Chazna, Zan. Hope I pronounced the name via user translator. Comment below if I did. Sorry for pronouncing the name wrong. But yeah, if I did comment like close to it, comment below if I. Sorry, I pronounced it wrong. My bad. I'm sorry. But yeah, this is Golden Bird official visual. If you want to check out, link shows below. All the social media, everything will be in link shows below and everything. If Alan, Lee Yu, and Chazan are seeing this, hope y'all doing well, family, friends, that I remind you, and same to y'all who's seen this. But if you want to see my other Alan Walker reviews, it will be in the comments below or right here. But if you want to keep up there, more videos coming soon on the channel by Alan or Lee or Chazan, and we'll be right here to keep you up there, more videos coming soon on the channel about them. But yeah, let me stop talking and let's see how they're going to do in this official visual right now. Well, I like how though. Hold on, I gotta pause, bro. I just like how I saw like digging up or moving the dirt and stuff, and we got the record player just playing, bro, and the symbols of me of the video, like, bro, like you can see the symbols of me and the different me of it playing. What you see right now, bro. What? Huh? What? Bro. The little symbols and everything. Dum dum. Bro. What? Huh? Hold up. Let me pause real quick, guys. I have the lyrics here. Translate. I thought you were gonna have the lyrics on the video, but hold up. All black distant in my vision, and I went on the distant, but am I always still trending on the mud of the sleigh, and Miss Tour dancing on my own path, like bro, on my own path of dancing, Miss Four and slaying in the trend of Mr. Hood. Like, am I being Mr. Hood? All these black, distant direction. How you want to say it? It's like my fault. It's my own path making me and myself. Am I even going for what's up? Am I an every black fairy light go in the distance, and the darkness the truth is reversed of bloom and more blaze sun, because bro, the black feathers falling everywhere. There's some light go in the distance path of anywhere, and the darkness of truth, you can reverse that. Because that one thing, object, how you want to say it, can change, reverse anything. But when the sun blazing sun, it can change, bro. Look in the crowd, reflecting the golden light and crying of the fire, burning out the fifth, deciding to return to the heavens, and the cloud burning away all the walls of the just waiting to bloom, around the treetop and the giant table away the garnets and the center of the star, the end of the center of the endless spring, the rings to unsure in the new dawn. Golden crow, golden crow, golden crow, golden crow, golden crow. I'm not even close into it, but it's a golden bird. So it can be any type of bird, but the golden crow. Bro, because bro, what is crying to the distance? The sun just crying, bro. You can hear it, bro. But the center of when the rings of a new dawn, growing crow, bro. And back to the official visual. What? What? Bro, the voice is just beautiful. What? Bro, down, bro. Bro, the little glitch in... Hold up, guys. I gotta pause real quick. Hold up. This word is my blooming tree, and I must climb through the cold night to reach the sun's rise. Every person is always lonely, yet their personality is in the fog. Because, bro, if I can just move the personality this on the cloud and just keep climbing on this blooming tree and reach the sunset, things will change. Bro, I need no one light for this. It's the light in my head, and I am sure this word let all the darkness survive all around the blacks. I carry the sun. I'm over here like, bro, I hope I'm not saying something wrong. Oh, black back. On my black back, I carry the sun because, bro, my back is always black and back because, bro, I'm carrying the sun to make this darkness first go away because this needs to be a new moment for us to change. Because, bro, the golden angel, the wish of the fire burn because, bro, golden crow like can change. Bro, the record is coming out the, how you want to say, ground south. Well, I thought this could be a symbol or like, because it do look like a song, maybe calling for the growing crow. Maybe it's because it calling the growing crow. Maybe that's could call it out to save it. Hey, I'm just saying new clues, but back to the official visual. And the video like that. Shout out to the boys. Shout out to the son. Show them love, y'all. Hold on, y'all. Well, everyone, I don't know how you feel about Golden Bird official visual featuring Lee Yu, Yan, Shanaza by Alan Walker. I'm gonna know what's your comments in the comments below because it did the thing, bro. Like, I'm carrying the sun to change this word, the meaning, and everything. But if I don't know what's your comments in the comments below because it did a thing. But yeah, but this is the end of the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, turn that notification bell on to get notice every time I go upload like Alan Walker, Lee Yoon, Chazan video because I know I'm going to upload more videos by them if you don't subscribe and turn the bell. So do it if you want to. If you don't, I know I'm going to upload more videos by them. But if you've been subscribed, you already know. But everybody, it's your YouTube channel. Follow your Chuanzi Revolution goals, everything. Send to Alan, Lee, Chazan, and Abbo working this official visual with them. Shouts and congrats. And see you in the next Alan Walker, Lee Young, Chan Zung video. I'm out. Peace.